Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious blueberry smoothie. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of frozen blueberries, which are key for that frosty texture. A ripe banana adds natural sweetness and a creamy consistency. Then, grab about 1/2 cup of your favorite milk and 1/4 cup of plain yogurt to make it extra smooth and satisfying. These few items are all you need for a perfect blend. Now let's get blending. Carefully add all your prepared ingredients into a high-speed blender. Begin by pulsing on a low setting to help break down the frozen blueberries and banana. Once things start to combine, gradually increase the speed to a medium or high setting. Continue blending for about 30 to 60 seconds, or until the mixture is completely smooth and has no visible chunks. This ensures a wonderfully consistent and enjoyable texture. Sometimes you might want to adjust your smoothie to perfection. If it's too thick, simply add another splash of milk, about 1/4 cup, and blend again until it reaches your desired consistency. For those who prefer a sweeter taste, a teaspoon of honey or maple syrup can be a great addition. You can also boost the nutrition by adding a tablespoon of chia seeds or flax seeds. Just remember to give it another quick blend after any adjustments to ensure everything is well incorporated. Your delicious blueberry smoothie is now ready to enjoy. Carefully pour the vibrant, creamy mixture into your favorite tall glass. For a touch of elegance, you can garnish it with a few fresh blueberries or a small sprig of mint. It's best served immediately to fully appreciate its refreshing cold temperature and smooth texture. This recipe makes one generous serving, perfect for a quick breakfast, a healthy snack, or a post-workout treat. Enjoy every sip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.